Hi there. How can you save 1 million much faster? And by the way, this 1 million figure is a hypothetical figure. You could have a target, for example, saving just 1K, saving 10K, saving 50K, saving 100K, saving half a million, and so forth. Depending on that particular target you have, how can you go about saving much faster? You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily YouTube channel. I'm yours, Afagza Sifuna. By the way, guys, if you're new here, remember to subscribe. Join the family by subscribing for you to be catching up on awesome updates each and every day. Having said that, these are the 5 tips you could use to save money much faster. Tip number 1, create a budget. Have a budget. It is through having a budget that's going to have a line specifying the kind of amount you want to save, and actually you're going to ensure you keep yourself in check with regards to whether you're saving that amount you said you'll save or not. And also, it is through having a budget that you could be able to increase your saving amount high and high over the months, right? So ensure you have a budget. And then, second tip is ensure you track your expenses. The end game is that you want to save much faster than planned, okay? So it is also through tracking your expenses that you're gonna know which frivolous expenses are you spending money on. And actually, these are gonna provide you a nest which you need to cut down on for you to be able to push this surplus amount of money towards your saving kitty. So through you doing that tracking of your expenses out there, you're gonna actually assist yourself, because you're gonna be able to identify the unnecessary things you're spending money on. And hopefully, you're going to push that extra amount of money towards your saving pot. And then the third pointer is that you need to limit the use of credit cards. As much as possible, use cash. I know some people out there may argue, for example, good credit cards out there come with bonuses, come with other key things and so forth, which is okay. I'm not saying you don't use them at all. I'm saying limit the use of credit cards. More so in case you're starting out on your saving journey. And I'm saying that because credit cards most of the times provide someone with a fake sense of having money, yet in reality, they don't have money. In case someone continues to use credit cards on that particular spending spree, yet they're purposing to do the savings, they may end up just continuing to dig deeper and deeper into their saving, and also dig deeper and deeper into their income as and when it flows in, because they'll be repaying credit card loans which they already have. So limit the usage of credit cards for you to be okay and set towards a good saving trajectory. Okay? And then the fourth tip is that invest in long-term, non-withdrawable assets out there for you to be able to save optimally. I'm talking about, for example, you having fixed deposit accounts with banks, you, for example, jumping in the stock market, and even you jumping, for example, on retirement plans and so forth. Through investing in these, you'll actually limit the possibility of you accessing that money, and this is going to contribute towards your saving discipline. And then the fifth tip is that automate that checkoff as soon as money hits your account. If you're relying on a salary, ensure you have that automated checkoff as soon as money hits your account, for you to be sure that money is going towards that account which you purpose to save through. This is going to assist you not even think much as to whether you need to save or not, because the money is going to be directed automatically. So have a checkoff and you're going to be well on course towards saving appropriately. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time.